Finally, finally. See them there? See them there? Now you can see from so far. I need a GoPro camera right now. This is the pink corn. The pink one. You can see, sorry, about pink. This is a purple corn. I wonder if them have pink corn. This is purple corn. You see purple here? See purple color. So here. Yeah. So welcome to today investment again. I think in the last video I kind of showcased the corn when there was about 1 week or about 2 weeks. But now see them here. This is about the 4th weeks, and this is how they look right now. They're coming. I plant one row of the purple corn. You can see the purple right there. So hopefully we can make some purple ton cornmeal. I normally make ton cornmeal, but I use my ton cornmeal normally only yellow. You know, cause I don't know where for freestyle. So my turn cornmeal normally purple, but I normally put beetroot with my turn cornmeal. I guess I'm gonna do one turn cornmeal video one day. But now I have grow the purple corn, so I have to put no beetroot in there. So this is the yellow corn. This is my investment. This is the yellow sweet corn. Yeah. So here it go. This is 4 weeks. This is how 4 weeks look. 4 weeks of corn. And we are going to take a look on the 7 weeks. Everybody know that we get a little rain recently. And the rain kind of not damage us, but we kind of get some flood out. Some of the farmers them get flood out. On my side I feel never really get that damage. Never really get such a flood, but right now I feel a struggle walking at the mud. So I walk barefoot. This is the mud. Stick up on my foot, but we still at walk. We go down in the mud. Woo! Ooh, when that's we walk in the mud. Nice. We must take a mud walk sometime and come out of the slippers and the shoes and the concrete. Take a mud walk. Feel nice. It feels so nice. Yeah, we're going to take a look at 7 weeks, no, 8 weeks can. It's about 8 weeks now. I even know it can take about 10 to 12 weeks. Alright. So this is 5,000 can. This is 5,000 can, I think. 500 in a row. And here they are. They are shooting. See them a come. See there. I spray them what day. So butterfly can lay in the eggs. See a dead butterfly there. Can you see that dead butterfly there? Sorry, but me have to kill you. Me kill you. People now get to eat sweet corn. I know some people love corn, but some people now not eat corn, so I'm not worry because them corn is soft. So you sit there, them a come here. Them a come, I have to spray them one day because sometimes the butterfly them lay egg and them just bite up the corn. You can see my friend here take a vibes. Gone. Was a wasp. Yeah. See them come. Push out. So yeah. Sweet corn. My investment for the Christmas. Yeah. Oops. what I'm going to do, I'm supposed to plant some more corn over here. So I just go and run out some ores for today. I did plant some sweet pepper as well. And see them here come. Come. We get some heavy rain over there and the rain bush up the field. So if we wait till the water dry down, you can see where it goes. You can see the water down there. The water swap the bed them, so wait till the water dry down so we can do some cleaning. Cleaning the bed them. Work them rather do some weeding. So these are the bed that they were weeding. But through the rain and so forth, I have to stop. We're gonna weed. They can't see the water circling the walkway. We'll get 3 days of rain. So give thanks to the rain though, because we needed the rain. Needed the rain. Really needed the rain. But so just have to make the rain, the water go and dry down. So we just need more sun. Although the weather people they must say one more chaff develop. But you don't know. What is to be must be. So today me I gonna run out some ores, plant some more sweet corn, but this time I gonna plant more purple corn. Because guess what? Get a contract from some yellow teeth Chinese people. Them love the purple corn, so they want purple corn to eat. Most black people don't use to eat as yet, so yeah. So today I was running out some ores recently, but through the rain come, I have to strategize again and run out back some more ores to plant some corn. Yeah. So you see the farm, big 7-acre farm. Yeah, invest a couple money, couple cash in a catch crop. It's just sad to know that, as I said before in the recent video, the government don't promote farming. You have such high school in the country like KC, Immaculate, Campion, all of these high schools, and this fucking government don't promote farming in these schools. And farming is a big industry. Else the devil Bill Gates would invest into it. But the government, this fucking government, don't push these things to our children. We as fucking idiot parents send our pitney go school for get misguided and misled. You see me? And come turn against us. So yeah, parents, introduce farming to our youths, to our children. You see me I say? It is very important. Very, 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 very important. You see me I say? Sorry me never learned farming from earlier. No, I just learn. And while in my learning, this is what I'm doing. This is so easy right now. And you have more to do. You have like pumpkin can plant, you have melon can plant, you have whole heap of stuff can plant. You can plant them in abundance and you can get your income from them. You see me I say? So we need to implement farming to our youths. We can't really depend on the government or the school to do that, because the school just there for miseducate our youth. brain drain our country. You see me I say? We don't need any doctor, you know. We probably need nurse to look after old people. But these farming itself, once you do farming and you eat what you grow what you eat, you don't need to go to hospital. Because you can't get sick by eating nature food. You see me I say? Because we come from nature. Only time we get sick and we eat outside of nature. And we eat all of this synthetic food. You get me? Yeah, so that I go on and what I go on. We're there in the farm, I plant corn. But we're in a Sammy. Yeah. See it there? It's Monday, marvelous Monday. Sweet corn.